Today we are making soft buttery toast bread, light, tender and with a fine crumb. This loaf is perfect for sandwiches or just with butter. Let's get started. First, we will make a simple pre-ferment with 100 grams of bread flour and 60 milliliters of water and mix a little. Now add 8 grams of yeast. Now keep mixing until it becomes like a thick, sticky paste. Cover it and leave in the fridge for overnight. The next day, the pre-ferment should be bubbly. Now let's start with 400 grams of bread flour, 25 grams of sugar, 10 grams of salt, 7 grams of yeast, 30 grams of butter. Add the pre-ferment. And 10 milliliters of warm milk. Keep mixing until a rough dough forms. Now lightly flour your workspace. Knead for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now transfer the dough into well-oiled bowl to cool. Cover the bowl and let the dough rest for 1 hour at room temperature. Lightly flour your workspace again. Now divide the dough into 2 pieces. Now we'll shape the dough into logs so they fit nicely into the loaf pan. Now cover both loaf pans tightly with cling wrap and let them rest for 90 minutes. I like to use a rubber band around the edge. It helps to seal the wrap more securely. About 20 minutes before baking, place a tray filled with hot water on the bottom rack of your oven. This creates steam and helps keep the crust soft. If you want a flat top loaf, you can place a small baking tray on the top of the pans. This is optional. Then bake in a preheated oven at 200 Celsius for about 35 minutes or until loaves are golden brown. Enjoy!